Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to diagnose power steering problems on a Ford Fusion. First, pay attention to how your steering wheel feels. Is it unusually stiff or difficult to turn, especially at low speeds? Also, listen for any new, unusual noises, such as a whining or groaning sound when you turn the wheel. These are key indicators of potential issues. Once you've noticed symptoms, it's time to look under the hood. Carefully inspect the power steering pump itself for any signs of fluid leakage around its seals. Next, trace all the power steering hoses and lines, checking for any damage or loose fittings. Finally, ensure the serpentine belt, which drives the pump, is in good condition and properly tensioned. For many power steering problems, replacing the pump is the most common and effective repair. Before installing a new pump, it's crucial to thoroughly flush the entire system to remove old fluid and any contaminants. Remember to always use the specific power steering fluid recommended by the vehicle manufacturer to ensure proper operation and longevity of the new components. Maintaining your power steering system can prevent future headaches. Make it a habit to regularly check your power steering fluid level and top it off if needed. Promptly addressing any minor leaks can save you from more extensive and costly repairs down the road. And hey, while you're keeping your car in top shape, why not make it smell great too? Check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.